मैं करीना बैक बनाने वीडियो। सो एज यू गाइस कैन सी कि आज मैंने पूरा इंडियन लुक क्रिएट किया है, एकदम ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन लुक या फिर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल फॉर इंडियन वेडिंग गेस्ट मेकअप एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस। सो आप लोग देख सकते हो कि मैंने मतलब एक एक चीज़ के ऊपर ध्यान दिया है टू लुक लाइक एन इंडियन। तो आज यू नो कि इंडिया में बिंदी इज़ वेरी फेमस, देन देयर इज झुमका, रेड लिप्स एंड नेकलेस, एंड देन दिस वर्क वाला यू नो दुपट्टा या chunri, whatever you want to call it. So please keep watching this video till the end to see how I create this Indian makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect, hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait.
Silhouette looking cinematic.
Yeah, I bet you wish you had this. Bless me, I'm sicker than your average.
So contagious.
Nothing else, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
Thirsty, drinking from the fountain of me. You see only what I want you to see. Magic might be the second coming. Good Lord, it's a prophecy.
Nothing less, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself.
I look so good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself.
I look so good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
They say I'm lost in a daydream, but I know that they're the ones sleeping. I wake up and gifted life's meaning. Don't blink, 'cause you don't wanna miss this. I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself.
I look so good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself.
I look so good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself. Shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect, hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait.
Silhouette looking cinematic.
Yeah, I bet you wish you had this. Bless me, I'm sicker than your average.
So contagious.
Nothing else, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself.
I look so good, I don't need anybody else.
It feels so good when I just do it by myself. Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect, hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait.
Silhouette looking cinematic.
Yeah, I bet you wish you had this. Bless me, I'm sicker than your average.
So contagious.
Nothing less, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
Thirsty, drinking from the fountain of me. You see only what I want you to see. Magic might be the second coming. Good Lord, it's a prophecy.
Nothing less, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
So this is my final look. This is how I look like. I'm literally loving how this eye look has turned out. So yeah, this was it about my today's Indian makeup tutorial look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because Instagram में मैं सारे updates पहले दे देती हूँ. बहुत सारे content उधर upload करती हूँ जो कि YouTube में नहीं आता है. So please follow me there to see those extra curriculum activities on my Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you all guys in my next video. Ta-da!